Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Create a playlist on your iPhone, iPod Touch, or Android device. Open the Apple Music app. At the bottom of your screen, tap Library. Tap Playlists. Tap New Playlist. Give your playlist a name, then tap Add Music. Search for music that you want to add. Tap it, then tap Done. On Android, tap Done. Tap Done or Done.
Let's help you make your mark.
To create a new playlist, do any of the following. Tap Library, tap Playlists, then tap New Playlist. Touch and hold a song, album, or playlist, tap Add to a playlist, then tap New Playlist. On the now playing screen, tap Add to a playlist, then tap New Playlist.
Take our lead.
Here's how. Tap the music icon. At the bottom of the screen, tap the playlists icon. Tap the second item in the list, Add Playlist. Type a name for your new playlist, and then tap Save. Tap the plus next to a song name to add the song to your playlist. In the upper right corner, tap the Done button.
Take our lead.
How to submit your music to Apple Music playlists. Verify your profile with Apple Connect. Make sure that you claim your profile on Apple Music for artists. Build your following on Apple Music. Work with a distributor that has relationships with Apple's editorial team.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.